Machines in factories don't run by magic, they run on smart logic. From temperature control to mixing chemicals, everything depends on process control system. आज हामी सिक्नेछौँ प्रोसेस कन्ट्रोल के हो र PLC DCS जस्तो सिस्टम कसरी काम गर्दछ. What is a process control? A process control is the method of automatically monitoring and adjusting industrial operation to maintain stability and efficiency. It's used in chemical plant, power station, food factories, even in water purification. यो सिस्टमले मानवको ठाउँमा सोच्ने काम गर्दछ. The key component of process control are: first one is sensor. It measures a parameter like temperature, pressure, flow, or levels. For example, temperature sensor in a boiler. And second one is controller. So compares actual value with the set value, which is the set point, and sends signal to adjust it. So for example, PID control. And third one is final control element, acts as a controls signal like a valve, pump, or heater. So सेन्सरले डेटा दिन्छ, कन्ट्रोलले निर्माण गर्छ र एक्युटरले एक्सन लिन्छ. PCL and DCS explains simply. So PCL means programmable logical controller. A PLC means programmable logical control, and PLC is a rugged digital computer used for fast real-time control in machine and small processes, whereas DCS, which is distributed control system, is used in large-scale continuous process like chemical plants where multiple controllers are disturbed and are distributed and monitored centrally. PLC सानो सिस्टमको लागि हो भने डिसिज चाहिँ ठुलो सिस्टमको लागि हो. So the examples are: where is process control used? So they are used in controlling reactor temperature, filling bottles in package, controlling gas flow in oxygen plants, monitoring pH in wastewater treatment, mixing ingredients in food and detergent factories. So process control is the brain behind modern industries. Without it, every process would be manual, slow and inconsistent. कमेन्ट गर्नुहोस् तपाईँको कारखानामा वा परियोजनामा कुन सेन्सर र कन्ट्रोल सिस्टम प्रयोग हुन्छ. थ्याङ्क यू फर वाचिङ. सी एन्ड भिडियो. टेक केयर. बाई.